So for this video I'm using yarn in two different colors. The yarn is in size 4 medium and the crochet hook is in size 5 millimeters. So I'll start by making a slip knot, then I'll chain 140. So after we chain 140, on the second chain from the hook we'll make 1/2 double crochet. And this is row 1. Now in the next chain I'll make 1/2 double crochet. In the next chain 1/2 double crochet. So we'll continue making 1/2 double crochet through each chain throughout row 1. For row 2 I'll turn my work around. I'll chain 1, then right there through this second chain from the hook I'll make 2 half double crochet. In the next chain I'll make 2 half double crochet. In the next chain 2 half double crochet. So I'll continue making 2 half double crochet through each chain throughout row 2. Now for row 3 I'll turn my work around, then I will chain 3, then right there to that same chain I'll make 2 double crochet. Now in the next chain I'll make 2 double crochet. Through the next chain I'll make 2 double crochet. Through the next chain 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 2 double crochet. So we'll continue making 2 double crochet through each chain throughout row 3. So this completes row 3. Now I'll chain 1 and I'll cut this yarn. For row 4 I'll use yarn in different color. And right there through that chain where we have finished off the third row, right through that chain I'll insert my hook, and I insert my hook through a slip knot loop and pull through. Now I'll chain 3, then through that same chain I'll make 3 double crochet. Through the next chain I'll make 4 double crochet. Through the next chain 4 double crochet. Through the next chain 4 double crochet. Through the next chain 4 double crochet. So I'll continue making 4 double crochet through each chain throughout row 4. So now that we are at the end of row 4, I'll chain 1 and I'll cut this yarn. Now for row 5, I'll use yarn in color A. Then right there through that chain where we have finished the row 4, right through that first chain, I insert my hook through a slip knot loop and pull through. Now I'll chain 3, then through the same chain I'll make 1 double crochet. Through the next chain I'll make 2 double crochet. Let me see which row is this. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Through the next chain I'll make 2 double crochet. Through the next chain 2 double crochet. Through the next chain 2 double crochet. through the next chain 2 double crochet. So continue making 2 double crochets through each chain throughout row 5. So yeah, we repeat this throughout row 5. Now for row 6, to get this effect, we need to start not from the stitch that we have finished in the previous row, but from the other side. From the front side still, but from the beginning of a row. See, right here? So right there, through that third chain, I insert my hook, then I insert my hook through a slip knot loop and pull through. Now chain 1, then through that same chain I'll make 1 single crochet. Through the next chain I'll make 1 single crochet. Through the next chain 1 single crochet. Through the next chain 1 single crochet. So I'll continue making 1 single crochet through each chain throughout row 6. So yeah, we just continue making 1 single crochet through each chain throughout row 6. To finish row 6, right here through this last chain, I'll make a slip stitch, then I'll chain 1. So this completes row 6. So now that we have finished the row 6, we'll measure our work. Measures 56 inches. So this is all for today, guys. I hope you like this video and thank you so much for watching.